Hey guys, this is just a quick video to show you how to submit your first day of art project. So if you're on the instructions, you can see the first one is to open up your sketchbook that you should have and to draw a self-portrait in the empty square that's on the second page. It says my first day of art. So you're going to draw a self-portrait, which is just a picture of yourself. You're going to write your name and age on the bottom where it says my name is and my age is, and then you are going to add some color to the page. You can use whatever colors you want, markers, crayons, whatever you want to use, whatever you have around the house. And then you're going to go to our slideshow and you're going to upload a picture of yourself with the page. It's going to be the same thing that we've been practicing, but I'll show you again just in case you forgot. You're going to click on our slide. You're going to press the plus sign. You're going to write your name at the title. Mrs. Kuda, that's my name. Then you're going to go to Insert, Image, Camera, and then the camera's going to pop up and now you can see me. Hi! And then you're going to take a picture of your page so I know you did it. Again, you don't have to be in the picture. If you just want to hold up your artwork, that's totally cool with me. Once you have the picture, you can insert it. You can make it bigger. Look how creepy I look over there. It's like, hey guys. So once you have it up here, Google automatically saves it, so you are good to go. You can just close out of this and then you are done with this assignment. Good job, guys.